Today I've got a little video about the best set of tools for removing blackheads. I'm talking about a comedone extractor kit. Take a look. If you have to remove blackheads, this is a safe way to go about doing it. It's easy, precise, and lowers the risk of scarring and secondary infection. I couldn't test these out on myself, making it the one time in my life I'm disappointed I don't have any blackheads to pop. But we've got some good footage anyway, plus some microscope footage. Check it out. Neat. As you can see, there are a bunch of different ends on the tools, for every size and shape pimple you can imagine, plus a lancet for spearing whiteheads if you have to. The steel instruments feel solid, so you should have no problem traveling with the case. They of course arrive sterile, but it's your job to keep them that way. I'd recommend always washing them before and after using, either with hot soapy water or rubbing alcohol. You've seen the blackhead extractor work, but let me test out the lancet on a fish oil pill. Nice. So to sum up, these extractors are a simple but effective tool. They do something your fingers can't and probably shouldn't do. So if you or anybody in your family has blackheads that need squeezing, check out this kit. The price is right. We'll throw a link in the description if you want to get one for yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We have new content every week. And we'll see you next time on the Dr. Gilmore fan page.